So what do you mean they cheered for your name?
Well, they cheered for my name because
Well, how does it go?
it goes, my name?
Well, yeah, how does the cheer go?
Here, I'll pretend we're doing it up.
Perfect.
It goes like, give me a K.
K.
K. It goes like, give me a K. K.
K.
Give me a E.
E.
Give me an N.
N.
But they have to do this. Okay?
Oh, cool. Okay, I'll do that.
Give me a
D.
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 You're supposed to
Okay, I'll do it like that. I'll do it better.
Okay. Give me a A.
A.
Give me a L.
L.
What does that spell?
Kindle.
What does that spell?
Kindle.
One more time.
Kindle.
I can't hear you.
Kindle. That's awesome. Was it really fun being Queen of the Day? I am very proud of you, Kendall. I love you.
They even had to draw pictures of me.
They had to draw pictures of you? That's awesome. Where did the pictures go?
I don't know.
Okay.
I guess I have to take them home. I didn't take them home today.
Oh, I hope we get to see them all. That's awesome. I'm very proud of you, kiddo. I love you.
Love you too.